In this video, we're going to learn about dictionaries in Python. Okay, so what even is a dictionary? A dictionary is a Python collection of key-value pairs. What is a key-value pair? Well, that actually depends, but in most cases, they come in the form of a label and a value related to that label. Let me show you how we can use dictionaries to solve a practical problem. Let's say we have a string containing many words, and we want to know how many times each word appears in the string. Let's go ahead and define a new function called word counts that accepts a parameter to pass it a given sentence. And here we're going to create an empty dictionary called counts, either with curly braces or using dict, which creates an empty dictionary. Next, we use a for loop to iterate through the words. And we use the split method here to split our string into a list of words. And we're going to check if the word is not in the dictionary, then we set the value for this word to 0. And outside of the if block, we're going to update the value for this word in the dictionary and increment it by 1. Then, when the for loop is done with all the words, we simply return the counts dictionary. Now, we can call the function with a string and take a look at the result. So we got a dictionary object containing the words as keys and their counts as values. Now let me show you how to initialize a dictionary with some key-value pairs. So it looks like this. The key goes first, then the value, and we separate the pairs with commas. Also, the keys and values can be of different types, and you can use any type for the values, even nested dictionaries. Now we can retrieve values from our dictionary using their key and the square brackets like this. But if you try to access a key that doesn't exist, you'll get an error. A safer way to access keys that won't throw an error is the method get, which simply returns none if the key is not found. To add a new item to the dictionary, we just assign a key to a value, like so. However, if we assign a value to a key that is already in the dictionary, its value will be updated. Dictionaries have a lot of methods that are available to us, like keys, which returns all the keys in the dictionary. We also have a values method which returns all the values. But probably the most handy way to iterate through the keys and values at the same time is the items method. Items returns all the key value tuples in the dictionary, which means we can simply unpack each key and value directly into our for loop, like this. There's also a method called pop, which takes a key, removes it from the dictionary, and returns the value that was removed. Okay, so now it's time to write a little code. So check out the interactive playground link in the description and leave any questions you have in the comments below.